Hi everyone, this is Ranjit. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about sweep option available in Creo. How can we do the sweep option? I will show you. In order to do that, you must go to the file new, then select the part. And one more thing, I'm going to keep all the default settings. Then for the sweep, basically we require a sketch and a path. So I'm going to draw the path first because sketching is done inside the sweep option. So first, this is my path. I'll select a spline to show the or to get more visualization about the sweep option, because if it is a straight line it will be similar to an extrude, or you can consider it as a different kind of extrude in which follows a path. And just select the sweep, then go for sketch. The sketching plane will appear here and you can sketch anything. For example, this case I will select a rectangle, then press OK. This is my sweep because this sketch is going to follow this path and my sweep is there. And second way, in another way, we can use the same sweep option to create helix. So to draw helix, I'm going to create another drawing and I will create two sketches, not sketches, two things inside the sketch. First, it is a line. This represents the height of my helix and path of my helix. The second thing, a center line, because this will be the axis of the helix. And one more thing you must do, you select and long press and just click on the designate axis of revolution. If you don't click or don't change this into axis of revolution, it won't revolve or it won't sweep. Okay, next I'll go to sweep, but instead of directly clicking on the sweep, I will just click on the drop down menu and I will click on the helical sweep. Automatically it is selected as the path. Then go for the sketch. Then you can draw the sketch here. Actually this sketch is a cross section of the spring or the helix. So if you click OK, the spring is there. You can adjust the pitch. For example, in this case, if it is 20, the more pitch. If it is 100, this is the pitch. Similarly, you can change the cross section. You can thicken the sketch. Thicken the sketch means a hollow tube will be there. Then you can create a left hand or right hand rule. All these options are available, but one of the normal error happens if you don't give any access for the revolution, then it won't work. Thank you. Let me know if you have any doubts. Feel free to post your questions in the comment section. I will address them to the best of my knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for updates, and please share your comments and likes. They really encourage me to keep going, and I'm going to release a lot of videos related to solid modeling, simulation, structural analysis, computational fluid dynamics. Thank you.